Hi, I'm Chris Stroud. I'm Director of Customer Management Centres for Currys Group, and I'm also responsible for the after-sales transformation programme we have running.
Hi, I'm Stuart Higgins. I'm one of the partners with BearingPoint, and I look after the consumer goods and retail sector within the UK.
We operate out of the Nordics and out of Greece, and in both those markets, as well as the UK, we are the number one electrical retailer. But we have the same kind of Currys mentality for everything we do there, and that's to make it easy for our customers to shop with us, to enable them to buy our tech, and to support them right the way through the life of that tech. We are the place they go to if it's a kind of an urgent purchase when washing machine's broken down, but it's the place that customers want to come to understand tech. Before we engage with BearingPoint, we spent an awful lot of time, effort and money looking at how we can improve our after-sales journeys from a colleague perspective, from a customer perspective, but most of all how we can make it more efficient, take costs out of our business and fail less, frankly. And it was all about being really simple, making sure we're clear from day one and taking costs out of our business where it was unnecessary. The second area we looked at was also our business architecture model. Currys, as people will be aware of, has come from various different companies, from PC World, Carphone, Dixons and Currys itself. So our business architecture model was built within those businesses. So what we've worked with BearingPoint to do is to create a single business architecture model. So whenever we do a change in our business, we understand the impact of that right the way down the value chain. And that's something we've never had before. We've trialed it in earnest already, and it's working really, really well.
Our relationship with Currys goes back to 2017. And actually, we've worked in a number of very different areas within the business. I think we started our engagement with them developing a UK supply chain network strategy. We've subsequently worked on developing a business architecture approach, methodology and capability for the business. And most recently, we've been engaged in working in their after-sales area around delivery and installation, trying to understand how we can help to improve customer service and reduce the cost of the operation.
So the main objectives of the program we worked with BearingPoint on was to look at our end-to-end customer journeys after sales. So we do the sales in store or online, and then we wanted to look at what happens after that. So from dispatch to delivery to install, customer having to contact us, why they would contact us. So it's that end-to-end customer journey after they bought the product. BearingPoint were probably really clear rather than us in the first instance, but they said there would be a scale of opportunity for us to take costs out of a business, to improve NPS, to improve CSAT. And rather than us sort of talking about, right, we're going to achieve 50 million saving, we quite quickly worked back to say, actually, we think addressable $500 million of cost. We think there is about 50 million of saving to be had. Then we worked through the opportunities and scaled the opportunities. At the end of it, we agreed and we presented to the board that we could take out about 20 million of costs, and that's all without tech. Okay, so there's no big tech investment here. It's very much about improving the end-to-end customer journey, and we were really successful. We've taken out a chunk of money already. We have a 2-year program in front of us to take out even more costs out of our business and make it better all round.
When working with clients such as Currys, we try to embed ourselves in the client environment. We work very closely with the client teams. We're looking to gain a thorough understanding of their business, but also bring our expertise, which is both operational, a lot of us have worked in industry, as well as consulting expertise. We focus very much on change and transformation as well. So we try, when we're delivering our projects, to impart knowledge exchange to our client teams with the aim of making the change that we're recommending sustainable within their businesses. I think on this particular project around after sales, that was a great example of how we can bring to bear a multifunctional team to work with the Currys guys in delivering an excellent result. We brought in experts from around our world, from Norway, from France, coupled that with the UK team to deliver a really fantastic result that has both driven customer service improvement and reduced cost, which is a sweet spot in terms of what we're trying to deliver for them. The client is delighted. We hope to work with them again as a result of that.
The great thing about working with BearingPoint, and I've worked with them before, so I knew what I was getting effectively. The team that they bring is always the A team, so it's not like other consultancies I've worked with before where you have the A team come in, sell the concept, and then you get a B team in. With BearingPoint, it's very much you get the team, you get to know the team, they stay with you right the way through, they understand the business better than us sometimes, So it's been a delight working with BearingPoint, and we as a business will definitely work with them again.